Imagine, for a moment, standing at the very edge of our solar system, on a world so remote, so perpetually frozen, that for decades we simply assumed it was motionless, a silent, unchanging sentinel of the cosmic void. For generations, our telescopes peered across billions of kilometers, showing us little more than a fuzzy, distant dot, leading us to believe that Pluto, the beloved dwarf planet, was a soulless, barren place. Scientists reasoned that its atmosphere, thin and elusive, could never possess the power to sculpt dynamic features. They thought it was a world where nothing ever truly moved, save for its stately, endless orbit around the sun. But then, the universe, as it so often does, offered us a profound and beautiful surprise. In 2015, after a journey spanning nearly a decade, NASA's New Horizons mission swept past Pluto, revealing a world far richer, far more active, and infinitely more mysterious than we could ever have imagined. The photographs beamed back across the vast expanse of space were a revelation, shattering our preconceived notions and unveiling a dwarf planet teeming with fascinating geographical oddities, challenging everything we thought we knew about the outer reaches of our solar system. Among the most breathtaking of these discoveries were features that seemed utterly impossible on such a distant, cold world: vast, sweeping dunes. Not dunes of sand as we know them on Earth, but dunes of ice, sculpted by winds we once believed barely existed. These aren't just small ripples, these are monumental formations, visible across the expansive, heart-shaped plains known as Sputnik Planitia. Picture this: dunes of frozen methane softly billowing across an alien landscape, stretching as far as the eye can see. And alongside them, a truly spectacular sight: a vast range of towering mountains, not of rock, but of solid water ice, each peak jutting out an astonishing 5 kilometers, or roughly 3 miles, into Pluto's thin blue atmosphere. It's a landscape of unimaginable scale and beauty, one that evokes a sense of both the familiar and the profoundly alien. The formation of these ice dunes is a testament to the unexpected power of Pluto's environment. They are meticulously sculpted from tiny crystals of methane, each no larger than a grain of sand, which have been painstakingly whipped up by glacial winds. These winds, though faint by earthly standards, are persistent, originating from the nearby towering mountains of water ice. They carry these microscopic shards of frozen methane, depositing them in intricate patterns that gradually, over eons, form these colossal dunes. It's a slow, deliberate artistry of nature, played out on a scale that humbles us. Scientists also believe that these extraordinary dunes aren't just methane. They're thought to contain frosted nitrogen crystals as well, adding another layer of complexity to their composition and formation. For so long, the prevailing wisdom held that Pluto's atmosphere was too tenuous, too ethereal, to possibly sculpt such grand features. It's an atmosphere less than 100,000th the pressure of Earth's. Yet, New Horizons showed us otherwise, revealing that even in such extreme conditions, the interplay of surface materials, sunlight, and faint atmospheric currents can create landscapes of remarkable dynamism. It forces us to reconsider our definitions of active planets and to appreciate the subtle, long-term geological processes that can unfold even in the most seemingly dormant corners of the cosmos. What makes this discovery even more intriguing is that Pluto isn't an anomaly in this regard. It's the latest addition to a growing list of celestial bodies on which astronomers have spotted dunes. Think of the swirling dunes of Venus, perpetually shrouded in its thick sulfuric acid clouds, or the vast, intricate dune fields of Titan, Saturn's largest moon, where dunes of hydrocarbon ice are carved by methane winds. Even on the surprisingly active surface of Comet 67, dust and ice particles have been observed forming dune-like structures. This expanding inventory suggests that the conditions required for dune formation might be more common across the universe than once believed, a universal language of wind and particulate matter etching its signature onto diverse planetary surfaces. The revelation of ice dunes on Pluto is more than just a scientific curiosity. It's a profound reminder of the limits of our assumptions and the boundless capacity of the universe to surprise us. It teaches us that even the most distant and seemingly barren worlds hold secrets waiting to be uncovered, vibrant stories etched into their very surfaces. From a fuzzy dot to a world of methane dunes and towering water ice mountains, Pluto has transformed in our understanding, becoming a living testament to the dynamic forces at work even in the coldest, most remote outposts of our solar system. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky or simply ponder the vastness beyond our world, consider Pluto. Consider its icy dunes, whispered into existence by glacial winds. It's a gentle reminder that even in places we once thought were still and unchanging, there is always movement, always change, and always something new to learn. It invites us to remain curious, to keep exploring, and to marvel at the infinite wonders that await our discovery. What are your thoughts on this incredible discovery? Share your reflections in the comments below, and let's continue to explore the mysteries of the cosmos together.